In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a specific object in Canva using the Magic Grab feature. Let's get started right inside your Canva design. First, make sure you already have a photo placed on your canvas. This can be any image where you want to adjust just one part, like a person, an object, or a subject in the foreground. Once your photo is on the page, simply click on the photo to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and the control handles around it. With the photo selected, look above your design or in the toolbar and click on Edit. This opens up Canva's editing options for that specific image, rather than for the whole page. If you don't see Edit right away, make sure you've actually clicked on the image and not on the background or another element. Inside the Edit menu, you'll see a variety of tools. What we're interested in is the Magic Grab feature. So navigate to Magic Grab by scrolling or looking through the available tabs until you spot it. This tool is designed to detect the main subject in your photo, so you can move or adjust that subject separately from the rest of the image. Once you find Magic Grab, click on it to activate it. Canva will start processing your image. At this point, you just need to wait for a moment while the tool analyzes the photo. The processing time can vary depending on the complexity and size of the image, so give it a few seconds to finish. When Canva is done, you'll see an option or button labeled Grab. Click on Grab to confirm that you want Canva to isolate the main subject from the background. After this, you should be able to interact with the object that Magic Grab has detected. Now, click on the person or specific object that Canva has identified. It will behave almost like its own separate element. From here, you can move it around, resize it, or reposition it anywhere within the design. To adjust the placement, click and drag the person or object upward on your canvas. Dragging up is just one example. You can place it wherever works best for your layout. Use the guides and snapping tools in Canva to help you align it neatly with other elements. And that's it. You've successfully used Magic Grab to select and move a specific object in Canva, giving you much more control over how your design looks.